we have no more bald spots. No more bald spots. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, your girl is basically bringing you guys an update on my rice water video. So if you didn't get a chance to see that video, I will link it up here and you can definitely go check that out. Otherwise you'll be a little confused about what your girl's talking about right now. I'm bringing you guys an update for the rice water video just so you guys can see what my hair looks like. It's been a few weeks since that video. I'm not sure how many weeks exactly, but I put it on the screen so you guys can see. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on whether the rice water helped my hair grow or not. So before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed to your girl's channel. If you're not already, make sure your post notification is set to all and on, and also give to the video a thumbs up if you love hair videos. And if you're new, by the way, my name is Crystal and I do a bunch of different content. I do vlogs, I do makeup tutorials, I do hauls, I do reviews, all of that good stuff. So if you're into that kind of content, then I would highly suggest that you subscribe to your girl's channel. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Just so you guys know, all that noise in the background is my son. He's playing in his walker, so your girl has to film a video, and this is the only time I have to do it, so we're trying to get this done real quick before he starts acting up. So today's video is about the update on the rice water video. Your girl decided to try rice water for my postpartum hair loss ever since I had my son, and I'm here today to show you guys what my hair looks like since then. So as you can see, this is your girl's hair right here. I'm gonna try to come closer to the camera. This is this side of my hair and this is the other side of my hair. So I wanted you guys to see how different it looks. Now I will insert a clip here of what my hair looked like when I first showed you guys that video of my hair loss and how bad it looked. See here, look at where the thickness of my hair starts. Like, it literally starts all the way back here. So I literally lost all of this hair right here. Look, I can't, there's hardly anything to grab. Now it didn't really do that too much in the center here, but I do have a little bald spot right here, so that's pretty significant. You can actually see it compared to the little bit of baby hairs that's on this side. But the same thing also happened on this side of my hair. But this is how my hair looks right now. Now keep in mind, it's the combination of the rice water, which I'm pretty sure helped, along with castor oil that I started putting on my hair at nighttime before I go to bed. Shout out to my sister, she gave me that tip. She's real good with hair as well, so I wanted to know, and she's also a mom, and I wanted to know whether she had any thinning or any issues with her hair, and that was her recommendation, which was to use castor oil cold pressed. And I started putting it on my hair, like just putting some on after I take my hair down and I'm about to put my bonnet and all of that stuff. I started to put it on at nighttime. So I'm pretty sure that's what helped my hair drastically kind of fill itself in. Now it's not fully all the way there because sometimes it will start like curling up and won't lay all the way down because it's just definitely not as long as the rest of my hair on the top, but we're getting there. At least now your girl could put her hair up, because literally I had bald spots and it wasn't looking good and I couldn't put my hair up at all. Yeah, as far as the castor oil is concerned, I found this one right here on Amazon, and this is basically a 32 ounce, and trust me, I am never gonna finish this, to be honest. Like, this is a lot. And remember I said cold pressed, so it says it right here, cold pressed. This one is non-GM, I'm not sure what that means, but this is cold pressed, and that is the best version. I believe that's the one that has nothing added to it. It's just like in its pure nature. So you can definitely use that and try it out for hair loss, and of course rice water as well. And you can definitely reference your girl's video to see how to go about making that and trying it out as well. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on whether it worked or not and how my hair has improved since that last video. So we're on a good journey at this point. We're getting there. So your girl's hair is practically right now, I'm sure as you guys are looking at it, you guys are probably like, oh my god, it's back to normal, everything. But for me, it fully isn't as yet, but we're getting there. But yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. Your girl just wanted to share with you guys my progress and how my hair looks. As you guys can see, it's a really big drastic change. So if you're suffering from postpartum hair loss or any type of hair loss or any type of hair issue, I would definitely say give rice water a try, and also incorporate castor oil as well. I think those two things are literally what got your girl's hair back to how it was, or you know, close enough to where it was. Of course, we have a little bit of a journey to go in terms of the length and for it to basically match the rest of my hair, but at least we have no more bald spots, and your girl can literally put her hair up and not have to worry about hiding anything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this update, and again, if you didn't get to check out your girl's rice water video, I will link it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.